Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the DoorDash class, and today we're gonna talk about the best days and times to dash. What days am I gonna make the most money, and what times am I gonna make the most money? What days would be good days to take off work? If you do take days off, if you work part-time, what part-times are good to work? Where are you gonna make the most money at, you know? All right, so after all this dashing I've been doing, I realized that you never ever want to miss dinner. Dinner is the best time of the day. So I say between 4:30 and 9:30 is when I make the most money. You know what I'm saying? I can make 150 between 4:30 and 9:30 on a great day. And so if I started at 11, I might mess around and make 300. So the best days to dash would be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The ultimate best days is Saturday and Sunday. Those are the best days. On Saturday and Sunday, you're gonna see less traffic. You're gonna see more orders, better tips, bigger orders. People order more stuff during the weekend. It might be some parties going on. It might be something like that. You know, Saturday, Sunday dinners be the big dinner, you know. Then Friday is real good. It's just a busy Friday. It's really busy around dinner time on Fridays. You know, between 6:30 and 9:30. Those are the hours where I really start cherry picking up during those hours, because I know there's some good orders out here, because during those hours I really start cherry picking. All right, so my slowest days in my market are Mondays and Tuesdays. They're so dead. Like, I can still make $20 an hour during these days, but it's really, really slow. Like, so fucking slow that if you're gonna take a day off, those would be the days to take off. Monday or Tuesday, or even Wednesday is pretty fucking slow too. But some weeks Wednesday be kind of nice. But any of them days you can still make enough money, and I make videos of how to do better on slow days, you know what I mean? How to finesse the slow days. So the best times to dash, my favorite shift is 11 to 9. So 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. is my favorite shift. Because around 11 is when everything opens up, you know what I'm saying? Everything opens up. All the stuff opens up around 11 o'clock. You know what I mean? So yeah, you can start a little early and get that lunch rush at 10, but everything opens at 11. So it's the best time to dash. So 11 to 9, you're gonna catch lunch rush and dinner rush. You know, I'm gonna have to do a little more experimenting with the breakfast shifts, but in my area, breakfast isn't really good. All they have is IHOP and Wendy's. So my breakfast shift isn't very good. So I don't really like starting before 11 o'clock. But there are markets where the breakfast shift is very good. I have a couple of spots where I can go if I want to work mornings, because they have everything in that area. They got a Cracker Barrel, IHOP, a couple Coney Islands. They got a bunch of, you know what I'm saying? There's a bunch of stuff that's open in the morning and does DoorDash, you know what I mean? So there's a couple spots like that. But still, the best time to dash is 11 to 9. You know what I mean? In my opinion. And my opinion is only based off how much money I can make in a day. So my opinion is based off money. I can make the most money between 11 and 9, and that's why it's my favorite time. You know what I mean? My all-time favorite day is Saturday, like today. Today is a Saturday. I'm out here about to start dashing. And we're gonna see how much I make today. I'm starting at noon. You know what I'm saying? It's 11:30 right now. I'm starting at noon. I'm already out here parked, ready to go. Got me a little monster on deck real quick. You know, getting ready for the day. Trying to get it in. The best days though, man, the weekends. You know, if you're gonna work part-time, then I would tell you to work on the weekends. Really, if you're only gonna work like 4 days a week, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then you could just skip all the slow days, you know what I mean? Thursdays, they start off kind of slow, but then it really picks up around 4 o'clock. and then the rest of the weekend is great. You know what I mean? So if you was having trouble, like you was working morning shifts and you're not making that much money, or you was working night shifts and you wasn't making that much money in a college town, you know, like a college town or something like that, you can make a nice amount of money on night shifts. You know what I'm saying? You can make some good money between like 10 and 2 a.m. You can make a lot of money, because like there's a lot of people ordering that late, and there's a lot of things open that late. A lot of choices in those areas, so you can make some money all day if you want to. If you wanted to, you could do a whole 24 in one of those areas. In my areas, you can't really dash past 2 o'clock, because the only thing open past 2 o'clock is McDonald's. Burger King even closed at a certain time. Taco Bell even closed out here. Only thing open is McDonald's. So, but yeah, so those the best days, man. Let me know what your favorite day is. I want to know what your favorite day is. My favorite day is Saturday. I could work all day on a Saturday. I'll just be happy. You know, I stay busy. I get good orders. I don't even have to decline that much. It's all good on Saturdays. You know, Sundays, I've had a couple good Sundays too. I think it's because of football season. That might be what it is. Like football Sundays, just be going crazy out here. I love that. So make sure y'all like and subscribe for more videos coming up soon. Hit that bell so you can be notified. And I'm about to get on this dash and shit. I'm about to get it. Let's get it. See y'all next time.